Hello there and welcome to another little video. We are going to do Skinny Love by Iver. It's a live version I heard of him, I think on the Jules Holland show. It's a UK show. Okay, so we're going to start off with the tuning, which is pretty straightforward. You just need to drop the low string, the 6th string, E, to a C. This is a G. This is an E, so you need to go up to E. This is G, which is regular. This is C, and this is C as well. So you need to come down to C from E and up to C from B. Alright, first up, we've only really got a couple of different chord shapes that we're going to use in this song. The first one is an A minor, so we're going to play. So you need, how I do it, I use my 2nd and 3rd fingers. So what we're going to do strumming wise, we're going to go basically down, down, up, down, up. You can see that? And I'm hitting the string, the bass string by itself individually first, so that's the string formerly known as the A string, the 5th string, the one that we tune to G. And then we're going to slide the exact same shape up to the 5th fret. So we're going to go. And then we're going to open everything up. Okay, so that's the first 3 bars. We've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Sorry, aeroplanes. So how we do that little riff is we put our first finger flat over the top 2 strings, which are both C, making them D. Okay, so. Okay. And then we repeat the first 3 bars. We're going to play A minor, C, C with a G. Second time, instead of going 2 to 4 and back, we're going to go 7 to 9 and back. And then 2 to 4. Okay? This is the 3rd time through. A minor, C. Okay, just to show you what I did there. We did the A minor, the C, and then the open one. Then I hit the 5th string, the open G string, and I've used my 3rd and 4th fingers, but you could use the 2nd and 3rd fingers, I guess. And you're going to go bass, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's bass, 5 and 5 together, 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide into 7 with our first finger flat, or you could use all 3 fingers like you do when you are playing a regular A major chord in in regular tuning. But I like to go with the first finger flat. Just make sure you leave these guys open, okay? Just like that. So it's going to go. Now on the video, he's got a resonator guitar, and the strings are through the body there, so he does this diddle-diddle, but you can kind of get away with that. Let's sound the wrong way around. It's not going to sound the same unless you go and get exactly the same guitar as him, so that's kind of a drag, but you know what I mean. Alright, that was the 3rd time through, and we've got up to, and then we drop back down to A minor, which is the first chord we played. I'm going to hit 2 strums of A minor, 2 strums of C, and then we're going to open up. Waiting for the verse to start. Okay. When the verse does start, we're going to play A minor again. We're going to go C, G, A minor, and we'll repeat this 4-bar pattern 3 times. Now we're going to pick the same shape, but we're just going to slide it up to the 7th fret. It makes it a D13. Down to A minor. And then we're going to just play a C like we did before, but put your other finger in just here. I'll show you why in a second. We get 3 bars of that. Now on the video I've attached, he then plays a little riff which goes, you're going to play first finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, pull off, so 3, pull off, 7 on the 5th string, the G string, so okay. Best way to learn this is just to practice those little bits. So you're going to get 1, just practice doing that. So when you hit it, just pull across the string, and then 5, and then there's 2 strums of just the open. So 3, 7, 5, 2 strums, and then we're back into A minus. Okay, the second time when we get to the end of that line, so we get to the C where we had the riff before, so it's C6, we could do that, and then we're going to hit the chorus. So the reason I wanted us to have this shape with our 2, 1 and 3, which feels a bit squeezy, when we start the chorus we're going to have 9, 8, 9. So same strumming pattern. 2 bars of that. 2 bars, not 2 bars. 2 bars of that. Then we go down the 4th frets, 4, 3, 4. And then, so as you see, the strumming pattern has remained exactly the same throughout the whole song. And then he just sticks on that chord there, which is an F. And then runs around the whole verse again. And then the chorus again. And then eventually we're going to get back to what is the intro, and he plays the intro as an outro. So all that stuff that we had, A minor, and the riffs. And that is how you play Skinny Love by Bon Iver. Thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe, click the button, and make sure you get the notifications. There's a new video every Saturday, and that's about it. I'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye.